welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, I'm Benji.
And I'm Lucy.
Lucy, I have a small problem.
You look worried. What happened?
I need to leave, but I don't have my keys.
Oh no, are they in your pocket?
No, I checked both pockets. Nothing.
Okay, so you can say this. I cannot find my keys.
I can't find my keys. Yes, that is exactly my problem.
And it is a very useful sentence. You can change the last word too. For example, I cannot find my phone.
I say this almost every morning.
Haha. Then today is an important lesson for you.
Very important. My keys are still missing.
Right. Let's keep looking. Where did you last see them?
Maybe by the door. I think I left them there.
Good. That means you think you put the keys there earlier.
So I can say I think I left my keys by the door.
Exactly. That gives the other person a place to check.
Wait, they are not by the door.
What about the kitchen table?
I checked the table already.
Then try your bag. They might be in your bag.
Good idea. Let me check. Wallet, water bottle, one old cookie.
One old cookie?
Please don't ask.
Fair enough. Are the keys there?
No keys.
All right. Let's use another useful phrase. Say this. I am looking for my keys. When you say, I cannot find my keys, you are describing the problem. When you say, I am looking for my keys, you are describing what you are doing now.
I see. So, I am looking my keys.
Almost. We need for. I am looking for my keys.
Right. I'm looking for my keys.
Perfect. To look for something means to try to find it.
And right now, I am trying very hard.
Let's think. What did you do when you came home?
I opened the door. Then I took off my jacket.
Oh, your jacket. The keys might be in your jacket pocket.
My jacket is on the chair. Let me check. Oh, here they are.
Great, you found them.
They were in my jacket pocket the whole time.
For one thing, say, here it is. For more than one thing, say, here they are.
So for my keys, I say, here they are.
Exactly.
Here they are, my beautiful keys.
You sound very happy to see them.
These keys caused a lot of trouble today.
Benji, before you leave, let's build one short conversation.
Good idea. I may need it again tomorrow.
Imagine I see you checking the table in your pockets. Benji, what are you looking for?
I can't find my keys. I think I left them by the door.
I don't see them there. They might be in your bag.
I checked my bag already. Oh, wait, here they are. They were in my jacket pocket.
Nice. That sounds like a real conversation.
And a very real morning for me.
Now listen once. Everyone listening, do not repeat yet. Just follow the conversation. What are you looking for?
I can't find my keys.
Where did you last see them?
I think I left them by the door.
They might be in your bag.
Oh, wait, here they are.
Good. Now, let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening.
I can't find my keys. I think I left them by the door. They might be in my bag. Oh, wait, here they are.
Nice. Now let's hear the whole moment at a natural speed. What are you looking for?
I can't find my keys. I think I left them by the door.
They might be in your bag.
I checked already. Oh, wait, here they are. They were in my jacket pocket.
There we go. One small problem, one useful conversation.
And I found my keys. Best lesson ever.
And now, everyone listening, imagine you cannot find something important. Say what is missing. I cannot find my phone. Or use the name of something from your life. Today we turned a small daily problem into a real English conversation.
Simple English, and now I can use it when I lose something.
Exactly. So before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What do you often lose? Your keys, your phone, or maybe your glasses?
Tell us in the comments. I hope it is not an old cookie.
We would love to read your answers and cheer for you. Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.